In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find your Bitcoin address on Binance. Whether you're looking to receive BTC from someone or transfer it from another wallet, knowing where to find your Bitcoin address is essential. Let's get started. First, log into your Binance account. Once logged in, go to your wallet overview. Here, you'll see the option Deposit. Click on it, and then click on the Deposit Crypto option. In the Deposit Crypto section, first, select Bitcoin as the coin. Next, choose the network for the deposit. You can select either the BTC or BNB network. While there are other networks available, like Ethereum and the Lightning Network, I recommend using the BTC or BNB network, as their transaction fees are lower compared to the others. For example, if you want to use the BTC network, select it, and your BTC deposit address for the Bitcoin network will appear. You can now copy this address. Once you've copied your Bitcoin address, you can use it to transfer Bitcoin from any other wallet or exchange. And that's it. This is how you find your Bitcoin deposit address on Binance. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more crypto guides. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.